think we had a very nice, successful visit or presentation by the party, introduction of the deputy governor to our people in Shomolu. She's from Ikorodu, and the party decided that she should go around all the 5 local governments from our own senatorial district, at least to familiarize herself with the party. And she came to Shomolu today, and I think we had a very, very successful introduction. Well, I think we've been done not really a favor, but we the one thing you can commend President Buhari for is what he has been able to achieve in terms of passing or initiating the Assembly, the National Assembly passing and him initiating the electoral bill, which he signed into law, because it made our elections, clearly it's going to make it, from what we have seen in Ondo, in Edo, Ekiti, and Osun State. From what we have seen, we can see that he has done very well on that one. And I think what we need to do is just to allow for us to accept what he has done, and he has done well. I think he has done well on that one, and we should give him credit for that. So I think going forward, I think the election in Lagos especially will be very interesting, because all along we know what we've been doing. We know we do elections. There are several elections that we have won. We know we have won, and we know what normally happens when you carry votes manually from one collation center to the other. Figures get changed, votes get added, and you really have elections that are not really wishes of the people. But I think with the signing of the Electoral Act by the president, I think we are going to have a much better election. We have something that we can really, really, really say, yes, this is what we asked for in every local government.
This 2023 election is going to be a free will, the mind of the people. You understand? People are going to vote for their own person based on their credibility, based on the accessibility to the candidate, based on what they have done to the people, not based on the political party. And I'm sure in my own political party, we are bringing out a sellable candidate that can actually win election, especially in my local government, Shomolu local government.